Again.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on. Okay, you have to close your eyes. You have to close your eyes too.
It's nothing big. It's nothing big. It's just a little gift.
Something.
Okay. Alright, let's hurry up because I gotta clean the kitchen up. I got so much to do for you guys.
Keep going. Come on.
Okay, here. Okay, there. Put your hand straight. There you go.
Something alive in there?
Okay. And then you need to open it. Okay.
Wait, I'm scared.
Just pop out.
Come on. You see it. I made it.
Oh, okay, wait a minute. It says grand, congratulations.
You know what an EPT is?
What?
What? You got a kid?
What?
Already?
Oh my God! You're lying! No. Oh my God, you're serious! Are you serious? No! Oh my God! Are you serious?
That's great. Congratulations.
Thank you. We're having a baby.
Oh my God!
All right, Grandma.
Serious?
Yes.
Oh my God, when did that? When did it happen? What happened? Oh my God!
We just found out.
When?
Like a couple of days.
Oh my God!
Are you serious?
Oh my God, are you serious?
Grandmama Janet.
Grandma.
Oh my God, are you serious? Oh, you brat, I'm gonna kill you! Oh my God, I'm so happy! Oh my God, are you serious? Oh my God!
Congratulations. All right.
Thank you.
You know what? I didn't have my glasses on or else I would have saw that! Oh my God! Oh my God, Gabby! Brian! Oh, you lying devil, you!
Whoa.
Oh! Can you believe it? You did it!
Let's keep it holy.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Oh my God! Oh my God, I can't believe it.
Happy New Year.